pulled off an incredible trick shot.
It's amazing. 21-year-old Ashley Arnault from William Carey University in Mississippi does a front handspring, watch, grabs the basketball while upside down and throws it in nothing but net. That's good. But can she do it live here on our plaza? Ashley joins us right now. Ashley, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
So I understand you had been trying this all year long at home games, and you made it on kind of your last attempt?
Yes, I did.
All right. So had you made it in practice a lot of times?
Never.
So it's only happened once in your life?
How many times do you think you practiced it before you nailed it?
Hundreds of times.
Okay, so the odds are high this morning. Let's set expectations.
Oh, it's high expectations.
So since you've made the shot, what's life been like for you?
Busy? Hectic, actually. I've never experienced anything like this before, so it's a lot to take in.
You ready to try this on national TV? No pressure here at all.
No pressure. I'll give it a shot.
What made you devise this particular trick? And do you have a follow-up that you're working on?
I'm trying to concoct something, but it's kind of difficult.
Okay.
Don't hurt yourself. There's the ball right down there, Ashley. We'll get out of your way.
Like
Ladies and gentlemen, Ashley Arnault from William Carey University in Mississippi. Here she goes, live on the Today Show. The front handspring, grabs the ball, nothing but net shot.
Can you move the court further? Yeah. Thanks, Al. Okay.
One more. No, we got one more here.
One more?
We got another one here.
One more shot.